Alright, welcome back to Packet Tracer. We are on activity 353 and we will be configuring wireless and voice VLANs. So we want to create separate VLANs for our wireless and voice devices. So all three of these items right here, we want to be on their own VLAN. So first, what we need to do is create a VTP domain. The name of Cisco and the password is class. Okay, so to get started we want to set up switch 1 as the VTP server. So to do that we want to do VTP domain Cisco, and then we want to do VTP mode server. It's already the server, which is fine, and then VTP password. The password was class on that. And then once we've done that, we can do an end, and then a copy run start. And now we want to move to switch 2 and set that one up as a VTP client. So VTP domain Cisco VTP mode client, and VTP password is class. We can do an end and a copy run start. And now switch 3, do the exact same thing we just did to switch 2. VTP domain Cisco VTP mode client, VTP password is class. End, and then a copy run start. So we've set that up as a VTP domain. So next we want to create VLANs. So we want to create 3 VLANs, and we're going to do that on switch 1. So we open up switch 1 here, and we want to create those VLANs. So let's see. Alright, so we just want to go into global configuration mode and go VLAN 20. And on VLAN 20 we want to name that data. So we can simply put name data and then exit. And a copy run start there. Actually, we could have created all of them. So VLAN 30. The name is wireless, and we can just go exit and go VLAN 40, which is voice. Okay, VLAN 40, press enter, and then we can do name voice. So let's just show the VLANs and make sure we got that. So we got 20 is data, 30 is wireless, 40 is voice. So we've got that on. Now we want to select the other switches to see if those VLANs have propagated. So we can do a show VLAN, and you can see on that switch we have data, wireless, and voice right there. And on switch 3, a show VLAN will show data, wireless, and voice. So they've made it to the switches. So then we want to assign the devices to the correct ports. So we want to put 0/1 to VLAN 20 on both switches, switch 2 and switch 3, 0/9 to 40 on 2 and 3, and 0/17 to 30 on 2 and 3. So if we pull up our notepad here, I've got this all written out. So we've got interface, fast Ethernet 01, switchboard access to VLAN 20, 09 is going to 40, and 017 is going to 30. And that is going in on both switches, the exact same. So we can just copy that, go into configure terminal, and we'll be able to paste that all in. Do a copy run start, and then we'll go over to this one, paste those same 3 in there, copy run start to save all of those. So then we need to test connectivity. I'm just switching between simulation and real time because it will turn your amber lights green. And for whatever reason, they want you to plug in the phones. So there you go. It's terribly crucial. So just to make our lights all green there. Green. There you go. So let's test connectivity. We're going from PC 0 to PC 1. So if we look at PC 1, the IP address is 20.10. That looks pretty good. Select PC0 and ping wireless router 1. So let's see. So we are going to ping 172.16.30.10. So our destination host is unreachable. Oops. Let's see. The other one is 30.10. Let's try to ping that one. So it's not going to reach that, and that is because it's not on the same VLAN. So there's no way it can reach over there. So PC1 and ping wireless router 2. So it's going to be the same thing. 30.15. It's not going to reach it because it's on a different VLAN. And if we check the results, we've got everything completed. We've got the VLAN set up. And you can see right here, I can't move my mouse to point at it, but you can see the ports on the left there, and then the third column is the VLANs. So you can see number 1's in 20, number 9's in 40, number 17's in 30. And the same thing will be true on this side. So there you go. That is configuring wireless and voice VLANs. Thank you very much for watching.